here the trail narrows a little bit, so we'll see how far we can go. And the other thing is that if we can't go any further, we'll have to come back in reverse, because there's no place to turn around. So we'll see how far we can go. difficult on the way up. Very narrow, a lot of loose rocks on one side. Okay, you can see. We'll see how we make it. If I only had the 2-inch biscuit, I won't be able to come down this trail at all. I will be hitting like every single rock. And right now I haven't hit any rock with the other with the bottom of the ridgeline. So this is where we came with the Polaris RZR, so we made it. Okay, no need to put it on first gear yet, and only VSA off. Okay, so but this part I will put it on first gear and in BTM4 lock. But first I'm gonna put a camera up there. Okay, so we are in first gear, VTM 4 lock and VSA off. No problem at all. Off with the VTM 4 on lock. Hubiera estado bien tener el drone y que fuera grabando aquí hacia el lado. Go by this rock. Okay, we made it. This section over there, the hard part was not hitting the rock, and because if for some reason the rock came all the way out, we have to move it out of the way, because on the right hand side there was no way we could go there, only to the all the way to the beach, rolling down to the beach, so that wasn't a good idea. We're gonna drive on first gear because I want the engine to be helping with the brake a little bit. I mean, it's not like a manual transmission, but still it helps a little bit with the braking. First gear, VTM locked, and hopefully we can make it on the first try. Yeah, no problem.